everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential piece of equipment for anyone relying on their Zebra GK series label printer, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed as a replacement power charger for models like the Zebra 105,930-4053, ensuring your printer stays up and running without a hitch. One of the first things that stands out about this ABLEGRID brand replacement product is the assurance it comes with. The manufacturer explicitly states these are tested units and are in great working condition. That immediately gives a user confidence that they're not just getting a generic, untested item, but a reliable power source. However, a crucial piece of advice that cannot be overstated is to always double-check your specific printer model against the listing before making a purchase. Compatibility is key, and taking that extra moment can save a lot of hassle. Now, let's talk about versatility and safety, two areas where this ABLEGRID adapter truly shines. For those who travel or operate in different regions, the worldwide input voltage of 10240 VAC at 5060 Hz is a game changer. This means you can plug it in almost anywhere globally without needing a separate voltage converter, making it incredibly convenient for a mobile setup or international operations. But what about protecting your valuable Zebra printer? This adapter comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features: OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. To break that down, OVP stands for Over Voltage Output Protection, which safeguards your printer from receiving too much voltage. OCP is Over Current Output Protection, preventing damage from excessive current flow. And SCP, or Short Circuit Output Protection, offers crucial defense against short circuits. These protections are not just buzzwords. They provide genuine peace of mind, knowing your expensive label printer is shielded from common electrical mishaps. The adapter features a standard barrel connector, which is typical for many printers, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Its design is practical, described as a wall mount type, which helps keep your workspace tidy by plugging directly into an outlet without a dangling cord from a power strip. The special feature travel aspect further underscores its portability and robust build, ready to handle the demands of being on the go. In essence, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter for the Zebra GK series is more than just a power supply. It's a reliable, safe, and versatile solution for keeping your label printer operational. Whether you're replacing a lost or damaged adapter, or simply looking for a dependable backup, this ABLEGRID offering appears to be a solid choice, built with both performance and protection in mind. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your Zebra GK series printer, providing consistent power and safeguarding your investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.